I'm loving it! Hello guys, what's up? I'm Ivan and today I'm gonna head out deep sea fishing. I'm not gonna waste any time, I'm leaving work right now and heading straight to the boat. Fishing time! Dinner for champions. Hey, at least I'm not eating it right out of the can, right? It's more wind than I expected. They were calling for very calm conditions and it's not bad, but it's enough that I will be drifting too fast to fish the way I want. So I'm gonna have to stay in more secluded areas, not go out in the open ocean. Really good bait. This mackerel was caught in the weekend. Got my daughter to fish up about 50 of them before we had to stop. Couldn't fit more in the freezer. I'm gonna have a flapper at the end here. That's supposed to be good luck. And the fishing reel is freshly serviced. Working good as new. I'm giving up on this location. I'm heading out to the more open waters. I'm not getting anything here. I'm going to use a little bit heavier weight and hopefully I will be able to fish on the bottom then. I moved out to more open waters and I'm hoping to have a little bit more luck here. We'll see, but I'm drifting quite fast. Got about 50 meters here and it's going out to about 300, a little bit further out. I feel I got very rocky bottom here, so it should be good hope for catching fish. Got stuck in the bottom, so I'm gonna have to drive up around and see if I can get it loose from the other end. Pull it the other way. There, I've gone up the other way now and hopefully I'm able to pull it loose. There, I was able to get it loose. Fantastic. I got fish. Yes. I think I got a decent one here. This is a feisty one. Oh yeah, come on. That was quick. First drop down and there we have it. And it was quite shallow, only 65 meters. There we got it. Something's coming here. Looking nice. So if you've seen my earlier videos, you will know that I've been using two squids, one green and one more reddish, that I was wondering which one they would go for. This time I got it on the reddish, but look at the bait here on the other one. It's eaten completely clean. I've already drifted out in deep water, so I gotta relocate. I'm gonna go back to the same depth where I got the other one now, about 65 meters. So I'll start a little shallower and then drift to deeper water. Wind is definitely picking up. It's becoming harder to fish on the bottom where I want. So this is probably gonna be the last few minutes of fishing before I have to call it quits. That's it. The wind picked up too much. I'm drifting too fast, so I can't fish properly on the bottom. So I'm gonna reel in and head into more sheltered areas and make fillets out of that nice fish I got.